What are fast feet drills?
Fast feet drills are a simple cardio exercise focused on quick, small steps in place. Used by athletes for decades, this drill boosts agility, speed, and cardiovascular health. With minimal space needed and no equipment, fast feet drills are accessible for all fitness levels, making them a popular choice for home and gym workout.
Benefits of fast feet drills.
Practicing fast feet drills helps improve foot speed, coordination, and agility. This movement elevates your heart rate, supporting better cardiovascular health and increasing calorie burn. It also strengthens lower body muscles, particularly calves, quads, and glutes, while enhancing balance and quick direction changes, skills useful in many sports and everyday activities.
Proper fast feet technique.
To perform fast feet drills, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and core engaged. Quickly alternate your feet, lifting and lowering them just an inch or two off the ground. Keep your steps light and rapid, arms bent at your sides for balance. Focus on quick movements while maintaining good posture and steady breathing.
How to structure your workout.
Start with a light warm-up to prepare your muscles. Perform fast feet for 20 to 30 seconds, then rest for 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 5 rounds. As your fitness improves, increase duration or intensity. Fast feet drills can be added to a cardio session, a sports warm-up, or interval training routines for greater challenge.
Tips for success and safety.
Wear supportive shoes to protect your joints and perform drills on a non-slick surface. Focus on speed, but don't sacrifice good form. If you're new, start at a slower pace and increase as you gain confidence. Listen to your body and stop if you feel pain, not just fatigue. Regular practice leads to steady improvements in agility and cardiovascular fitness.